for today, pupunta tayo sa Sharjah.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do?
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Irish and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, hello and welcome. Again, my name is Irish and I'm your expat Pinay, living and working here in Dubai, UAE. Hi guys! Another day, another vlog. It is a Saturday and start na talaga ng long weekend. Most likely 4 or 5 days, including weekend, wala kaming pasok. And for this long weekend, itong Eid holidays, naisip namin na pumunta kami into different Emirates. Mamasyal tayo sa iba't ibang Emirates dito sa UAE. Majority naman na napuntahan namin. Yung iba pabalik-balik na kaming pumupunta. I think Ajman na lang talaga hindi mo pa talaga napupuntahan na as in nagstay ka doon. Yun na lang naman na so far. But anyways, for today, pupunta tayo sa Sharjah. Meron na tayong previous vlog about Sharjah. Nakapasyal na tayo doon. Pero hindi kami nakapunta sa rain room dahil hindi kami nakapagpabook at wala ng slot. So now talagang nagpabook tayo. I think 12:45 yung booking natin sa rain room. 7 kaming pupunta. Ako, si Sissy, si Sachi, si Apple, si Ivy, mama ni Ivy at si Ate Carmen.
I take it one day at a time, 'cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today.
Hi! Nandito lang kami sa Eno kasi pupunta kami dito sa Zoom. Gusto ko ng hotdog. Yung almusal kasi namin kanina pa yon and medyo parang hindi aabot sa Sharjah. Ano po? Parang gusto ko din ng iced coffee.
Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. I was crying yesterday, but look at me now, 'cause I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Say I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Hi! Andito na tayo sa Rain Room, Sharjah. Ayan, dito lang kami nagpark sa labas. Paano pala tayo magpa-park? Hindi ko alam.
My friends on the internet talk to me more than my real ones do. I never seem to be good enough for him or her or
So, tapos na kami sa rain room. Ang bilis lang ng 15 minutes, guys. Pag group kayo, I suggest yung pa isa-isa. O kaya baka dalawang slot ang kunin nyo. So, 25 per slot yung 15 minutes. Kasi sobrang kulang talaga. Pito pati kami. Basta syempre picture-picture kayo, video-video, silhouette picture and video, ganun. But yeah, nabasa pa rin kami kasi dapat magsa-stop ka, mabagal ka para hindi ka mabasa. Eh, minsan hindi ka na-detect nung sensor eh. Kaya, lalo na nung huli na sabi, ano na, tapos na kami dahil may kasunod na. Takbo na lang kami. Anyways, medyo bitin, pero na-enjoy naman namin yung rain room. Hi guys!
300 meters.
Hi guys, papunta na tayo sa House of Terror?
House of Terror.
Ano ba na? Wisdom?
House of Wisdom.
Ulit, apal!
Dali.
Kamang yung daan pa
Hi guys, dali. Dali na!
Makikita ng mama ko?
Dali na!
Sabi mo, pumunta tayo sa bahay mo. Ha?
Hi guys,
Sa House
punta
of
tayo sa
Wisdom.
House of bahay ko. House of
Hindi
Wisdom.
nga, yung bahay ko House of Terror.
So yun na nga, pupunta nga tayo sa House of Wisdom. Library siya dito sa Sharjah. I think mga 13 kilometers away siya sa rain room. And andun na kami in 14 minutes. So it's already 1:09. After ng House of Wisdom, saka kami pupunta or saka kami late lunch.
Na 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 na. Each and every day I'm gonna do the things that say let's love each other, find the best of us through love. Let's love each other. Love is only good, so good, oh so good. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I'll take the higher road, 'cause I'm in growing mode. Let's love each other, find the best of us through love. Let's love each other. Love is only good, so good, oh so good. Songs have already been sung about imagining living in peace, yet it rolls off my tongue.
Ang ganda dito guys. Kung marami lang tayong ganyan tapos mahilig kayo sa mga ganito, quiet place, kahit hindi kayo magbabasa dito, pwede kayong mag-work, dala kayo ng laptop, mag-edit ng vlog, ayan, pwede dito. Hi guys! So tapos na tayo sa House of Wisdom. Dito yun sa Sharjah. Actually medyo outside siya ng city ng Sharjah. Malapit siya sa airport. Airport ano? Something. Yeah, malapit siya sa Sharjah Airport. So, dapat kakain kami sa Casa Samak kasi nakita ni Kisi maganda siya. Maganda naman. Kaya lang sa gabi pa yung open. Tapos sabi ko, sige sa Spice Grill. Nakakain na kami doon before and we've enjoyed the food naman. Kaya sabi ko, sige, let's give it a try para matikman din nila. So, gabi pa din ang open. Realizing na Ramadan pa rin naman pala talaga today. Kaya dito sa Sharjah, during Ramadan, hindi siya as open as Dubai na, alam mo yun, pwedeng kang kumain during Ramadan hours. Medyo talaga strict yung Emirates. Mas conservative dito compared to other Emirates. Anyways, right now, pupunta na lang kami sa Al Quwain. Kakain kami sa Barako. Ay, si Apple hindi pa nakakakain doon. Si Ate Carmen ata at si Mama hindi pa nakakakain. So, para matry.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Masarap! Hi! Si Mitch!
Hi!
Vlog. Buntis na siya, oh. Ngayon na nakita ang buntis. Ako din, charot. Magkasing laki lang kami ng tiyan, which nakakaloka. Ayan na, malapit na siyang, 3 months pa. Ayan. Hi!
Let's love each other. Love is only good, so good, oh so good. Na 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 na.
So, tapos na kami sa Barako Grill. Na-meet ko pa yung friend ko, si Mitch. May birthday celebration din siya with her friend. But now, last hit it for today's ganap. Pupunta tayo sa Mikoko Beach, dun sa Mangrove. Dito lang din yan sa Umm Al Quwain. Nakapunta na kami dun dati ni Sachi. So, para makita din nila yung Mangroves doon. At saka maganda rin kasi for picture purposes dun eh. So, yan, punta tayo sa Mikoko Beach. Mikoko. Yeah. 40, right? Thank you. So, dun sa guard or sa gate, sasabihin nyo lang, Mikoko.
Just use code.
Use code Mikoko and present 40 dirhams, free na kayo. Hindi, basta may receipt kayo na worth 40 dirhams sa Mikoko. Ano na, free na. Free na yung, free na yung entrance. Otherwise, 20 dirhams yung bayad nung car.
I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene.
Second time here sa Mikoko Beach. Ito na tayo. Yung mga pasahero namin excited. Ang tagal daw ng biyahe. Kalurki.
Feeling of being alone, I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow, I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun, just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow, I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view.
Hi guys! We are now home and nakapag-shower na din ako. Papahinga na tayo. It's already 8:45. Ito pala yung aking ginagamit. Snail White Double 2 times boosting anti-aging serum. May mga nagtatanong kasi kung nung nag-unbox ako nito sa TikTok kung mag-review daw ako. So far naman, so good. For me, ang definition ko ng so far so good is hindi ako pinipimple. As in yung parang ginamit ko siya, tas after few times and all, bigla akong nag-break out. Hindi maganda yung skin condition ko, guys. Kasi enlarged pores talaga ako. Pero hindi talaga ako yung so far, Diyos ko, hindi talaga ako yung laging ano tawag dito? Maano ng pimple. Parang paisa-isa, ganyan. Lalo na pag monthly period, ganyan. Pero it could have been better, lalo na, syempre, nagkakaedad na, kailangan talaga i-take care yung skin. Ayun lang. Tapos, ito, instead of lotion, yung Johnson's na oil. Hindi naman siya ganun kalagkit sa katawan. Hindi naman din siya ganun kainit. Pero kasi super naman, kung gano'n ka-oily naman yung mukha ko, ganun naman ka-dry yung balat ko sa katawan, no? Lalo na yung sa paa. So, kailangan talaga siyang i-moisturize. Mga petroleum jelly dapat, ganun. Pero nga, hindi ako masipag. So, we'll see. Siguro dapat binablog ko para sipagan ko. At pinapakita ko sa inyo. But, in general, that would be all for today's vlog. I'm not sure kung mapupuntahan pa namin yung ibang Emirates kasi today was the worst, no, Char? Ninang Brian boy. Hindi, more of, nakakapagod din talaga. Tas yung biyahe, ganyan. I think, today is yung pinaka-highlight ng aming Eid celebration and I enjoyed it. And I hope this will help you para, alam mo yun, next time, plano nyo ang pwede nyong pasyalan sa Al Quwain at saka sa Sharjah. So, yun lang naman guys. As always, do let me know if you have questions or suggestions na pwede naming puntahan next time. Actually, itong House of Wisdom and Rain Room, mga previous suggestions nyo to sa akin na tinandaan ko na lang din. Hindi nga kami nakapag-grocery ngayon sa Sharjah. Alam ko maraming mga deals na grocery sa Sharjah pero medyo tight yung schedule for today, but for sure next time we will go back and visit some more place in other Emirates, hindi lang Sharjah. So, ayun lang muna guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and show some love by subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless and may the fab be with you all. Bye, guys!